I am Director Dr. Krishna Chandra, National Center of Organic Farming. It is a subordinate office of Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, located at Ghaziabad. We are promoting organic farming through our 7 regional centers, which is located all over India. Recently, we have developed one waste decomposer, that is a small bottle. It is a various used. It can be used with irrigation for your waste decomposition and for the crop protection. About 50,000 farmers are already using it and they are getting benefit from it. Now we have seen with a small bottle you can maintain any crop without any chemicals or any pesticides. That is a recent development. More than 100 farmers, they have reported the same in vegetables, in wheat, in paddy, in horticulture crops, all crops. It is can be grown with this bottle. Use is simple. One bottle you have to put in 200 liter water along with 2 kg jaggery. Shake it every day. You will find after 5 to 7 days it will be multiply in a white color. You will see that in total drum you will find white color just like chasni. And that culture, when it's multiplied, you can use 1 liter of culture in any waste of 1 ton of waste, layer by layers. Put 1 ton of waste, put 1 liter of culture, again waste, 1 ton waste, 1 liter of culture, spread it, maintain 70% water. You will find within 30 days, if it is small pieces, 30 days, if it is bigger pieces, it will take 40 days. It will decompose totally. And total black color manure you will find. Other use is this bottle, when you have multiplied in the container, you put a 1 tap bottom side, and with water, when you are irrigating the water, just open it, let it 200 liter of the material will go in 1 acre. Then you will find after 30 days, black spots will come in the field. That black spots is indicator whatever material, undecomposed material in the field, it will decompose and make it as a manure. Chemically, if you want to test, you can see the organic carbon before use of this material and after use of this material, 40 days. At 40 days, you will find the carbon of the soil will be changed up to 1%. It is temporary change. And crop will be responded accordingly. You will find bumper crop. Third use is when you have already multiplied in your drum, you take a 10% of solution along with 100 liter of water and spray on the crop. Every 7 days, if you spray on the crop, it will not allow any disease. It will repel all the pests and insects. They will not affect your crop. You can see it with your eyes. You can use it and see the results. So, without using chemicals, without using pesticides, you can grow the crop. Once I request all of farmers, please use it and see the response. And 1 bottle, as I told, it is enough for years to years. You have made a 1 drum. From there, you can take a 10 liter again solution, put in 200 liter water, 2 kg jaggery, and it goes on multiplication. So number of multiplication you can increase it, and it will never end. It can be maintained years to years, and thousands of tons of material you can decompose it. Soil you can change it. After 7 months, you will find your soil will be changed, your carbon will change, nutrition value will be changed, and porosity will increase. You will find lot of your worms activity, earthworm will be generated. So this all happens with this small bottle. In spraying, you will find no disease will come in your field, but nearby, if a field is affected, it will remain there, but at least in your field, it will not come. So finally, it is my humble request, use this bottle. Details, if you want to contact my mobile number 9818322105. Any information, anything you want, you can get it.